Good day to my supervisor, Dr. Muhammad Jafri bin Mo Nasir. My name is Tisu Eun. I am doing my internship program at IOI Property Group Berhad. Background of company, type of industry, real estate development industry. IOIPG is now one of the country's largest real estate enterprise. IOIPG public traded property developer in Malaysia. The company has built sustainable town in Malaysia popular Klang Valley and Johor, and it also working on project in Singapore and the People's Republic of China. IOIPG owns 10,000 acres of land in Malaysia. History of IOI property. IOI was established in 1975 as Lam Son Huat Development Sdn Berhad. It was renamed Industry Oxygen Incorporated IOI in 1994. Tan Sri Dato Lee Sin Cheng is the founder of IOI. Its beginning can be traced back to 1984. The IOI group entered the property development business that year by acquiring Bukit Kelang Development Sdn Berhad, Rabat Jaya Sdn Berhad, and Enhap Industry Sdn Berhad. IOI property began development of Bandar Puchong Jaya in 1990. It is now one of the Klang Valley most comprehensive self-contained township development. Since then, it has expanded its operation southern to strategic locations in Negeri Sembilan, Melaka, Johor, and Singapore. IOI property was damaged from IOI Corporation Berhad on January 15, 2014, and it now listed under IOI Property Group Berhad. Department involved. Building Service Department, separated in two teams which are defect team more that customers complain about their home defect, and management team more than service charge and renovation. Customer Relation Department assists in event organizing and hand over key to customer. IT Department maintain IT intranet, email system, and provide technical support. Sales and Marketing Department to assist home loan application and provide all the information or document to customer. Sales Administration Department ensure that all after-sales documentation are being carried out effectively. Example, agreement. People and Culture Department responsible on arranging staff, settle staff inquiry, and handle most of the staff problem. Project Department monitor and coordinate various site activities are complete without delay. Contract Department co-quotation and prepare quotation comparison for mirror project work. Account Department receives payment in cash, check, or credit card from customer and issue official receipt. Company operating activity. Property development in Malaysia, Klang Valley, Penang Islands, and Southern Johor. IOIPG responsible for the successful creation of sustainable self-contained suburban township along high growth corridor. To meet the growing demand in this great site, new townships are being developed in Bangi, Sepang, and Bahau Negeri Sembilan. Property investment. The IOIPG property investment portfolio consists mostly of retail and office space with a total net lettable area around 24200 square meters. IOI City Mall in IOI Resort City Putrajaya, IOI Mall in Puchong, Selangor, and Kurai, Johor. 1 and 2 IOI Square in IOI Resort City Putrajaya, Puchong Financial Corporate Center, and IOI Boulevard in Puchong, Selangor are among its main investment assets. Leisure and hospitality. IOI PG own and operate famous hotel, shopping mall, golf course, and office building in Malaysia leisure and hospitality sector. In IOI Resort City, the award-winning 5-star Putrajaya Marriott Hotel and Spa and 4-star Prime Garden Hotel, which is acceded to Prime Garden Golf Club and 18-hole premium public golf course are located, while the 27-hole IOI Prime Villa Golf and Country Resorts is strategically located within the exclusive high-end resident township of Bandar Putra Kulai in Johor. Business environment. Political factor. Existing marketplace have political stability. Because IOI property work in so many countries, it must develop regulation approach to the construction service business in each one. Economy factor. Economy cycle. The performance of IOI property in Malaysia is highly associated with the country economic performance. Increased globalization and the use of local resources to cater to global market have fueled growth during the previous 2 decades. Social factor. Demographic. IOI property has demographic on its side when it comes to capital good product. Malaysia is a young and developing country. IOI property may take advantage of this trait to appeal to a wide range of demographics. Technology factor. Customer expectation in the capital good industry have changed as a result of the advancement and widespread use of mobile technology. To stay ahead to the market, IOI property must not only fulfill and manage the expectation, but also innovate. Environmental factor. In Malaysian economy, recycling is quickly becoming the standard rather than the expectation. In the capital good business, IOI property might establish preparation to compare with requirement and expectation. Legal factor. Environmental legislation and guidelines. The extent of Malaysian environmental rule and regulation, as well as what IOI property must do to comply with them. Scope of export to student. Task assigned by company supervisor. Design the banner for the interest waiver campaign. Software used is Canva. I can learn more about how to use Canva design a banner. Extract and analysis data. Use Microsoft Excel to edit and analysis, for example, creation report, proposal payment, follow-up action, and other. Need to do the report and analyze it. This task encouraged me to study and find new Microsoft Excel function. Using IFCA system to do deposit billing, for example, renovation deposit, AR transaction like access card billing, water charge billing, and other. Service charge for the gated garden house. All work in the BS department are closely related to the IFCA system for management team and IOISS for the defect team. I learned more about how to read a statement, do the invoice and billing, and how to import the owner profile by using IFCA. Filing document and how to make a thing simple to read it. For example, my supervisor company asked me to make the document simple and easy to understand. Filing according to the project and first of the house. With the tiny filing system, it will be easy for future referring and recalling. Learn how to handle subsale case. Learn the process owner to change ownership, and before that they need to make sure they do not have outstanding service charge, how the process of lawyer deal with the owner, and what document need to submit to our department. Call customer for collecting outstanding service charge. This is the more difficult task to me because I never tried it before and we need more skill to communicate with customer. Must know the customer financial situation and talk to customer in a polite tone. Aspect that have been studied. Communication skill. For instance, I learned how to engage with customers in a nice manner in order to calm them down when they were feeling rushed or in rushes. In addition, I must always greet clients with a smile. Problem solving skill. For example, I learned how to solve the problem when customers come to our department for defect problem, service charge problem, and renovation problem. Adaptability skill. I learned to adapt to various tasks in a short period of time. When I need to complete various tasks in a short period of time, I need to arrange my time and make sure that I meet my major deadline. For example, I need to call and email customer immediately to help them with their question or help. Contribution to company. Assist and contribute to the team. I was strong at my job at the beginning, but I got along with my colleagues. I also started to assist and contribute team members to complete the work. For example, process renovation part is my first thing I learned, and I need to make sure the detail on renovation form is clearly and complete. Job schedule. I will observe other people's work environment and learn from it. For example, I learn with my colleagues how to deal with customers, how to help customers solve problems, how to fill out different form, renovation form, and the step to buy access card, how to use IFCA system, and so on. Complete the exercise task with real perform. I will try my best to complete the task, and if I do not understand how to do it, I will ask for my colleagues' help. Suggestion for improvement. Utilize employee feedback. Create an online portal that allows people to submit their ideas for improvement. For example, like security issue, how we can solve the problem and let customers feel safety with our security management. Organize team building activity. A great way to encourage people to work together. For example, PS department staff can go camping together and they will help each other to build up the camp and to prepare the food. This will promote the spirit of cooperation between them. Encourage a sense of teamwork. Consider your colleagues to be your friend of your team, not merely a group of people with whom you must collaborate. For example, we have a good relation with each other. Challenge. If car system not stable, sometimes the system is very slow. This will lead to our work being postponed and wasting time Therefore, the IT department need to improve the system so that the system can be used more smoothly. Serve walk-in, email, and call-in customer. Sometimes we meet unreasonable customer, but we still have to patient and explain to him. I find it challenging to communicate with customer because we don't know if customer understand our explanation and make the right choice. In this, we need to communicate more with customer, and we will have experience and method to attend customer. Facing technology issue. Not familiar with the system and Microsoft Excel and need time to learn it. For example, how to use the system if car to do billing and so on. Or how to use Microsoft Excel to key in data and make the report. Add value in student knowledge. Career exploration. During my internship, I interacted with a variety of departments. This experience provided me with information and aid in my career preparation. Be spontaneous. Everything I do, such as turning on and off the computer, serving clients, and checking email often, must be done of the moment. Furthermore, if something is unclear or confusing, a co-worker or supervisor should be consulted. This move will improve work speed by reducing error and the chance of redoing work which might take longer. Enhancing your resume. I will learn more about how to create a resume and what the information need to make the resume simple and interesting. This is all for me. Thank you.